Does Rhode Island have a clear snow off your car rule? Because that's partially blocking the windshield. Wow. Yeah, that was definitely red light, Toyota.
Mommy, I'm off to get a commie, so send me a salami.
What?
And try to smile somehow. I'll look for you.
Look at all that snow in that car up there. You can't even look at that. That's just crazy. Oh, that truck was last second into the easy pass lane. Oh, what the? Why are you? What the fuck? Alright, you can speed back up now. 45, you're only going 35 now. Come on. Oh, you're on your cell phone now. Okay. You're texting away. What the fuck? That was a dick move. Why are you stopping? Get out of his way. This isn't rocket science. This is crazy. Get out of the guy's way. I don't think you can go do that. Come on.
She seemed to flaunt her sexuality in front of me and say how open she is with everything, but the second I made a move, she made me feel like your fucking co-workers that you wanted to stick your tongue up her ass? Is this the kind of person we want running the country? It's gonna be all that shit. Why did you jerk off to Woman Gets Groped on Subway in February of 2008?
Oh boy. I gotta love people who can't plan for shit. Holy shit. Where am I going? Just a small town girl. Living in a lonely world.
Picture reviews over the past few weeks, you will have heard me say 100 times this guy is an immaculate visual director. His frames are
what the hell?
And Gone Girl is one of the best looking films of the year.
Of course. Why do people treat this intersection like there's a stop sign here? Is there something I don't get? Why do people stop here? Go!
Over the line!
Too little, too late. Nope.